Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Semrush for competitor keyword gap analysis step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Semrush account. On the main dashboard, locate the navigation panel on the left side. Click on the keyword gap tool under the SEO category. In the keyword gap interface, enter your domain in the first field. Next, input the domains of your competitors in the subsequent fields. You can add multiple competitor domains to compare against yours. Once you've entered all necessary domains, click on the search button. Semrush will then generate a report displaying the keyword gap analysis. Review the results presented in the form of a graph and table. Focus on the section labeled Common Keywords to identify shared keywords. Examine the Missing Keywords section to see keywords your competitors rank for, but you do not. Use the filters available to narrow down the results by search volume, difficulty, and competitiveness. Identify keywords with high search volume and lower competition as potential targets. You can also explore the overall keywords section to view all keywords involved in the analysis. Take note of any keywords that align with your content strategy. Download the report by clicking the Export button for future reference. Use this data to inform your content creation and SEO strategy moving forward. Regularly revisit the Keyword Gap tool to keep track of industry shifts and competitor updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.